Alright guys, what's up? This is a 2-box division break. We got 2014 Playbook and 2015 Fire and a giveaway. Someone's going to win a 2-box 2015 Inscriptions football. Alright, we're going to do everything by random divisions. And we're going to start off, we'll do the dice roller, roll 3 or more. Five times. So we're going to random the names and the divisions 5 times and match them up. So here we go. We got Andrew B with 2 spots, Ricky S with 2, Mike with 1, Tim with 1, Eduardo with 1, and Michelle with 1. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the order. All right, Ricky, Mike, Andrew, Michelle, Tim, Eduardo, Ricky, and Andrew. I think I put the, what I do with the, here it is. Take this out. All right, guys, the divisions. NFC East, the North, the South, the West, AFC East, North, South, and West. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ricky got the NFC West, Mike AFC West, Andrew NFC South, Michelle AFC East, Tim with the AFC North, Eduardo with the NFC East, Ricky with the NFC North, Andrew with the AFC South. So Ricky, you got your Bears and Vikings. It wasn't set up. You got it. Save this. And you guys want to make any trades? Just so you all see it again. You good, You good, Mike? Josh, you good on YouTube? You're good, Ricky, right? Yeah. You good? Great, Josh. Okay, guys, what do you want to do first? You want to do playbook or you want to do fire? Somebody just pick one. Playbook or fire? Playbook? All right, we got playbook. Mike gets it. All right, put the fire here. All right, guys, good luck. We are doing playbook. We start off with Gavin Escobar for the Cowboys, NFC East. This is number 15 out of 75. Tight end. And the booklet, nice hit for the Jaguars. Allen Robinson, 129 out of 199. It is just 2-color patch. Allen Robinson. So, I guess. And we go with fire. Guys, if you want your veteran base, let me know. I'll ship them. I put on the site. I wasn't going to ship them, not just to sort them all, but if you want them, you can have them. I'm going to send a hit list pack anyway. Yeah, 2 autos, Mike, in the fire. So if your division doesn't pull at least 1 card, you'll get a pack of cards anyway. So I'll send something. And then we'll do the random for the inscriptions. Alright, first pack of fire. Sean Jackson, Golden Tate, got Elway, Dries Anderson, Ronnie Lott, Jesse James, Phillip Rivers, Frank Gore, Marino, Andrew Luck, Kevin White, not numbered, Hundley, Staubach, Hilton, Adams, LaDainian Thompson, Dominic Sue, Melvin Gordon. You want them? Okay, Rick, you got them. I'll send you all the cards for your division. We got the auto patch. Start off with Jeremy Langford, and we got Justin Hardy for the Falcons. 328 out of 500. 328 out of 500. Sure, Mike, no problem. I'll send everybody all their cards. I'll make it easy for everyone. The base, it's only one box, so. Jacques Bell, C.J. Anderson, got Barry Sanders, Amari Cooper, numbered 46 out of 299. Jeremy Hill, and Ty Montgomery. Warren Moon, Eddie George, Greg Olson, Calvin Johnson, Terry Bradshaw, Todd Gurley, Jordan Matthews, Mike Evans, Big Ben, Marcus Mariota, insert, LT, Tyler Lockett, Alshon Jeffrey, LaShawn McCoy, Gronk, Jamal Charles, TJ Yeldon, Tony Lippett. Aaron Rodgers, Larry Fitz, Jarvis Landry, got J.J. Watt, Andrew Luck, Alvin Dupree, Sayers, Johnson, Nelson, and Clive Walford, 46 out of 50 for the Raiders. That's the hit. Peyton and Max Williams. Alright, I guess the rest of the packs have some parallel numbers, but I doubt it will be an extra hit. Not sure, but we'll go through them. DeMarco, Dez, Andrew, Tannehill, Clive Walford, base, Chris Conley. Don't leave, Rick. We got to do the random for the inscription, so hang around. Kelvin, Randall, got Luke Kuechly, Devin Hester, Golden Tate, David Johnson. Jeremy Hill, Ronnie Lott, Tony Dorsett, Eddie Lacy, Julio Jones, Vic Beasley, Dominic Sue, Peyton, Andrew Luck, Green, 182 out of 199. Andrew Luck, AJ Green, Dorsett, McBride. Jones. LT. Bradshaw. Richard Sherman. Leonard Williams. And Dress Anderson. Antonio Brown. Marshawn. Dion. Maybe a future Browns quarterback. Colin Kaepernick. Deshaun Jackson. Amir Abdullah. I don't know why he wants to go to the Browns. Arian Foster. AJ Green. Jimmy Graham. Gronk. Mariota. This is not numbered. David Cobb. Sherman. Watt. Earl Campbell. Jesse James. This is nope, not numbered. Thought it was. Gale Sayers. Deontay Greenberry. Alright, last two packs. And then we do the random for the inscriptions. Rice. Bettis. Marshall. Jamal Charles, numbered 271 out of 499. That's gold. Elway. Josh Hopper. Last pack. Lamar Miller. Derek Carr. Singletary. Russell Wilson, newly engaged. Julian Strong. And Trey Ways. That does it. Alright, we're going to do the random. One lucky winner, 2015 Inscriptions Football. I will do the same thing with the names. I'm going to random them off. I'm going to do the dice roller all over again. Alright, let me get all your names here again. Alright, here we go. 3 or more. 11 times. So 11 times we rolled the list randomizer. The guy on top, guy, girl, top, will get one box 2015 Inscriptions. Alright guys, good luck. Here we go. 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Timothy C gets the box 2015 Inscriptions Football. Tim, are you here? I don't think you are, but I'll just message you. I'll email. I wanted to break this live, but maybe you want the box. No problem. Thank you, Mike, for joining. Except if anyone didn't pull at least one card, a hit for the division, get a pack of cards, and I'll send you all your base cards, everything from Fire. No problem there.